Hi friends, I am Gastro Guru aka Prashant Shukla and welcome to Gastro Guru Kitchen. Today I'm going to make for you quick, easy and delicious vegetable pizza. Now this pizza is a little bit different because instead of making pizza dough, we're going to use crescent roll dough to make the crust, and then what we're going to do is once the crust is done, we're going to take it out of the oven, put some cream cheese and mayo dressing mixed together, and then add all the fresh veggies on top, and then that's it. After that, we're going to cut it out and I cut it into small pieces, and we can have it either at room temperature or you can put it in the fridge and even enjoy it cold. It tastes awesome and it's so easy to make. So let's get started. Alright, so to make our quick and easy delicious vegetable pizza, let's go over the ingredient. So what I'm going to do is that first thing is that in a big bowl, mixing bowl, I'm going to add a pack and a half, which is about 16 ounces of cream cheese. So we're going to add that. We're going to add about a cup of Hellmann's mayonnaise. To that we're going to add about half a pack of original ranch salad dressing seasoning. So we're going to add a half a cup of that to the mayo and the cream cheese, and then we're going to mix it up. The next thing we are going to do is that we're going to chop the vegetables. So I have 2 stalks of celery, I have 3 green onions or scallions, I have carrots, I have over here cauliflower, I have fresh broccoli, and then I have bell peppers in different colors. So we're going to finely chop all of this and then mix it up in another bowl, and then we're going to make the crust from these crescent roll dough. So we're going to pop it open, layer it in this sheet, baking sheet, and we're going to use 2 of those. So that's going to make the crust for our vegetable pizza. And then once you layer it in the pan and the cookie sheet, it's going to go in the oven 375 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes until it's done and golden brown. Once it's done, we're going to take out the crust, and then we're going to layer it with 2 different things. First thing would be the mix from the mayonnaise, the cream cheese, and the ranch dressing. We're going to spread it on top of the dough, or the pizza, which is already out of the oven. Then we're going to top that with all these fresh vegetables and press it down. And then after a few minutes, we're going to cut it into squares and enjoy it. And it's so simple and easy, but it tastes delicious. So let's get started with chopping the vegetables first. Alright, so all our vegetables have been chopped and they're ready. The green onions, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, different vegetables. You can add any kind of vegetable topping you want to. Now we're going to make the first layer, which will go on top of the pizza crust. So what we have here is 8 ounces of cream cheese. So we're going to take all of that, and then we're going to take about 4 ounces from a second packet. So basically what we have here is 12 ounces of cream cheese. To that we are going to add about a cup of mayonnaise. So that's about a cup of mayonnaise. And to that we're going to add the ranch seasoning salad dressing mix. So we're going to add about half a packet of this. If need be, we can add more later. Okay, that sounds good for now. And now we're going to mix it all up. We're going to mush it, the mayonnaise, with the spoon. Then mix the cream cheese, mayonnaise, and the ranch salad dressing mix, because that's going to be our first layer on top of the pizza crust. Okay, so that's ready, and now soon what we're going to do is we're going to unroll this and layer it in the cookie sheet and then put it in the oven. Alright, so what we did is we have the Crescent roll. I use the Pillsbury and I spread it in the baking sheet, cookie sheet, and it's going to go in the oven for 375 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. And this is how it came in this roll, and we popped it by opening it this way. Here we go. The oven's already been preheated to 375, and so it's going to stay in there for 12 or 15 minutes until it's golden brown, and we'll come back and check. Alright friends, so our Pillsbury Crescent pizza crust is out from the oven. Remember we had taken 2 rolls of that and spread it, and it was in the oven for 375 degrees for about 12 minutes, and this looks fantastic. Looks golden brown, beautiful. The next thing we're going to do is, like with the cream cheese, mayo, and the mixed salad mix seasoning, we are going to layer that all over with this, and then on top of that we are going to be adding the vegetables, and then finally some sharp cheddar cheese, shredded cheese. It's going to look and taste fantastic. So let's get started. Alright, so we put the cream cheese and mayo and salad dressing, ranch dressing mixture on top of our pizza crust, and now we're going to be adding or layering fresh vegetables, carrots, you have broccoli, you have green onions, cauliflower, and this is going to taste fantastic. Once you spread it, we're just going to press it down, and then we're going to add cheddar cheese, shredded cheese on top. It's already smelling awesome, and it's going to even taste better. And to make sure that you watch my video on YouTube, my channel is Gastro Guru, and do like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and press the bell icon so that you get new recipe notification each time I make a new dish. So thanks very much. Alright, so as you can see, we have layered now the vegetable pizza with the vegetables. Just going to spread it evenly, and then we're going to press it down. Trying to make sure that every end is, all the edges also have the vegetables and not just the center. Look at that, how beautiful is that looking? Fantastic. Let's press it down. Better to press it down with the back of a spoon so that the vegetables get vegged and get one with the dressing. All right, that's looking great. Now I'm going to add, for the final touch, shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar. So there, folks, you have it. Our delicious, quick, easy vegetable pizza. It's got cheese, cheddar cheese, vegetables, whole slew of mayonnaise and other goodies in it. And this is how it looks. Looks fantastic once you slice it up. See how awesome that looks? So, bon appetit, and see you next time. Thank you.